if you really want to know how to make passive income with CashFX, then I would suggest you stay tuned. Hi there, my name is Errol Muller, and I've been online or an online entrepreneur since the year 2014. So anything related to passive income, investments, Forex, online marketing, what I do suggest is head over to my website. It's called errolmuller.com. There you can see errolmuller.com, and then you can literally just browse over these tabs like home, videos, forex trading, investments, make money online. It's very informative. I've been gathering all this information since the year 2014, and it's about 7 to 8 years that I've been doing this now. So you're more than welcome to do that. Now let's jump right into it. CashFX. I'm going to show you my account. I'm logged into my account, as you can see, Errol Muller. And let's just go to the dashboard quickly. So I am on the, I think it's the $1,000 package, and I want to show you my growth. So since I started up until now, I've gained $678. Now this is very good for passive income. If you are interested and you really want to make money every single month, every single week, because we get paid weekly. I just got paid, I'll show you now, $27 something paid into my account, added to the balance that right there. And depending on the package that you are on, you will obviously get higher returns. And the nice thing about this is you get paid weekly. So whether you want to withdraw on a weekly basis, or if you want to withdraw on a monthly basis, then this is definitely something I would recommend to you. And I'll also show you quickly, if you want to know more about CashFX and you want to get started as quickly as possible, do not miss on an opportunity like this. Reason being, once it's still available, make money while you can. And then, down the line, if something happens to the program, I'm not saying it's going to, if something happens, then you've made your money, you've made more than what you actually put in. So what you want to do is head over to my website, and then you go to the investments tab, and then you just go to up to 15% per week, and you enter your email address and you click show me. This will automatically redirect you back to CFX. So big fat disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, not an investment specialist. I cannot guarantee any of these results. Everything that you do it at your own risk and do your own research. So this is just my own individual results that I'm sharing with you, and the knowledge that I've gained over the last few years that I'm sharing with you right now. So as you can see, my profit, this is not just my account balance, this is my pure profit. It's standing on $678. And then what you can do is I'm quickly going to head over to the balance section, and I want to show you how much you earn per week roughly on that package. So I started, let's go to the very last tab. I started the 13th of February. That was my first gain for that week. And then from there, gains. These are weekly. You can see, look at the date. You can see it's weekly. And then every single week, that's how you track it. And we are on page 1. So I got a 29, 24, 29, 30, 29, 27. So yes, today I received my email to say, listen, this is the commission you've earned. And I received, as you can see, on the 24th, today is the 24th, look right there, 24th, I earned a $27.58. Now, the higher the package, the more money you earn, which is very nice. So that's my recommendation to you. If you want to know how to make passive income with CashFX, then just do that. Go to my website, enter your email address. It will redirect you back to CashFX, and then you can sign up if you have any questions. What I would suggest is head over to my website, go to the contact tab, click on the contact tab, and then any questions you might have, leave your name, email address, your message. I will get it on my emails and I will respond to you via email. Secondly, if you want to join the live streams, that's coming very soon, where we interact live. You can ask questions. I'll maybe bring you up into the recording or into the live stream. You can head over to the home tab, enter your email address right there. For now, it's just going to add you to the database, but eventually there will be a full training series going on here, which is very, very exciting. So once again, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time, and you must have a blessed day and a blessed life going forward. See you in my next video.